Good morning, guys. So it is October 1st, and on the 1st I usually like to do a little Spellbinders video. The links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, and if you make any purchases through those links, that means I'll make a small commission. Now, I looked at the sneak peek yesterday, but on the day before the 1st, if you were to go check things out, you're still going to be ordering the item from the last month, right? Because they cut it off on the 30th, 31st, 28th, whatever the last day is. So even if you order on that day, you're still getting that same month's kit, so you have to wait until the 1st to get the new kit. And I saw the sneak peek, and the sneak peek you can check out under their blog. If you do this like in the future, if you're already signed up with them, you can click like all blog, and then on the side it'll say monthly kits or something like that, and you can click on that and it'll show you the sneak peeks if you want to, but they usually load that like only a couple days before the end of the month anyway. Okay, and the sneak peek is literally just like a little tiny picture of like a piece of something, right? So we have new arrivals October club. So I already set up mine to go ahead and just give me, because I have it billed on the 1st, which is today. I have other videos talking about how to switch things out, or well, switch out your club. Some people say you can switch out particular parts of your club if you're in a value club kit. I have not seen that in my portal, but I'm sure if we fish around we can do that. Usually I just cancel it, like just say I don't want it and then sign up again, because they don't care how many times you cancel or sign up, and it's not something you have to keep. You can skip. Sometimes I just skip and then sign up, so the one I normally have is skipped, but then I sign up for like the smaller kit club if I didn't like the APG or something for that month. So let's click here and look at the monthly kits. So I saw the APG one and it looked like a little circle, and I'm like, I bet you it's a camera, and I think it pretty much was a camera. So the small die of the month, if you click on here, otherwise if you don't want to click on that little picture, they have clubs right here. You can click on each one that way. We're just gonna show you a little something just so that we can look at this together. So it makes something similar to this. Again, it's like one of those locking types that they have, and I have other ones that are like, I don't know if it's peacock inspired, I don't know what you want to call it, but basically that's what we're looking at, right? Where these little pieces lock in together. So I think it's really cute. I'm going to obviously let it come in. This is their least expensive club kit. It's 15 bucks. Don't think I'm wrong when I say that the shipping is included in that price, so that's always a good thing. So it's just what it is. And then you still get 10% off the whole site. So I'm just going to quickly go through that small, the large, and the APG and the card kit, because that's usually what I get anyway. But I get the value club of that, so each thing is, you get a discount that way. So I didn't know what this one's going to be, and it looks like a little doorway. But I always like the large kit. I don't know why, because they always do something fun, something unexpected and different. So it kind of looks like a doorway. Oh, it even has a little opening for your little card. That's cute. And then if you want to see the actual dies, usually they have a picture of what that looks like, but I don't see one in here. And it does look like the door opens, so definitely getting that one. It looks like they dressed it up for holiday and they dressed it up for fall, and I suppose you can dress it up for anything. And then the APG die is one that I had only seen, well, all of them. I saw a little corner and I thought, maybe it's a camera, because it kind of looked like that since I saw this little area here in the sneak peek. And that's what it looks like. And she always has some fun things here. So it looks like it is a mini camera. That's cute. All right, so that's coming home to mama. And let's see here. Again, you can sign up throughout the whole month. Even if you were to sign up, you know, the last day of this month, you'll still get the same kit. It won't change until the 1st of next month. And then the card making kit of the month is very Christmassy. This one they did have a whole thing of, so I was able to see what was in here, and it's very cute. It's called Dancing Santa, I think. Yeah, Dancin' Santa. No G, all right. But look at this. Look at the little, I love cookies, but I'm not pout. And then it has little dies to make him. And again, I do like their dies, their people dies, because they're not too tiny. That's what I've noticed in the past. They're a pretty good size, so they're not super hard to work with, but I guess that would be up to you. But how cute is that? So I'm definitely going to get the Works Club. That includes all 4 of those things I just showed you. They have the Kit and Caboodle. That is everything but the APG, the small, the large, and the card club. Again, a little lower pricing on that as a value. So they also have lots of different other clubs. I have not looked into their foil machine. I think I want to, but I haven't done it yet. Their hot foil kit of the month too is something you can add. So these are all the clubs where their values together, so it's a lower cost, and then it keeps going from there. So this picture here is from last month, so they need to remove that. It's not going to work anymore. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I will attach the video for the other club where I show you how to mess with your portal. But basically, the other club, you can click on clubs right here, and you go down to club account portal. And I'm going to see real quickly off camera here. Okay, so let me sign in. Okay, it's taking a minute, but there's a sign in, so I'll sign into that. And as you can see, I keep open 2 subscriptions, just one for the works and one for the kit and caboodle, and then I just say which one I don't want, and I'll skip it. So on the first, it got paid, and we're good to go. But over here, it has your dashboard and all kinds of different things that you can do. Also, if you want to add like papers and stuff like that, you can also do that. But all right, guys, I'll have the attachment for the next video on that part. And thanks for watching, and I will see you all at the next one. Later today, I'm planning on having a giveaway video, so hopefully that gets put up very soon. Bye now. You know, as I do this real quick, this is a little bit different than I've shown in the past, because last time I showed kind of how when you sign up, you can add things. So on your profile, if you have your cart, or you know, your thing, if you have a cart open, it's because you put things in it. But what you can do is click browse, and you can browse the plans. So like, let's say you want to add the small or the large or things like that. So that's not the same as taking things out if you have the value club, right? But I suppose you can add it here and then remove the other plan. Okay, so I haven't done that, so I'm not going to mess with it, but there are things you can do here. But let's say you wanted more of the paper because you think the paper's cute, things like that. So click on extras and add-ons, and then you can add it. You know, I want Dancing Santa or whatever, more paper. I want more of the die cuts or whatever it is, some foil. And then you just continue to check out, and it'll add onto your monthly kit. Okay. All right. I just want to quickly talk about that because I haven't shown that in the past. All right, guys. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.